Here's another exercise to open the front of your chest. So we're going to do actually a couple of exercises. We're going to do something that mobilizes, sort of expands and contracts the muscles through the front of the chest. And then we're going to do a stretch. So you're going to come and lie down on your foam roller. Put your bottom towards the end so that you can find the length of your body. You want to make sure that your butt and your head is supported by the foam roller. You're going to reach your arms up towards the ceiling, reaching as far up as you can, feeling the front of that chest getting quite rounded. And now just allow the arm bones to melt and sink. You might have to adjust your head. So you don't want to jam the arms down and bring tension into the top of the shoulders. Reach up and really just let the arm bones find where they need to sit. Now, as you inhale, open your arms sideways. As you exhale, let the arms float back. So just introducing a bit of a stretch through the front of the chest and a little bit of contraction without moving your shoulder blades around too much. We can even turn the backs of the hands towards each other and just get a bit of an arm stretch. It'll feel a little bit different. It might even feel a little bit awkward. When you've done 5 or 6 of those in whichever direction or even in both directions, bring your arms up, bend your elbows next to your rib cage, and then you're just going to unfold your arms so that you look like a W. So from the top of your fingertip to your elbow, up to the crown of your head, down through to the other elbow and up to the fingertips on the other side. And here you're just going to allow your shoulders to relax and you're going to feel the front of the chest stretching. You're going to hold that for a few breaths until you start feeling a little bit of a release through the front of the chest. Bring your arms up and repeat that stretch. And you can do this 2 or 3 times, and each time it should feel a little bit easier.